Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to properly close background apps on a Mac. A lot of Mac users think clicking the red close button fully shuts down an app, but most apps continue running in the background and still use memory and battery. First, open any app on your Mac, for example, Safari, Notes, or Spotify. Now move to the top left corner and click the red close button. You'll notice the window disappears, but the app is actually still running. Look down at the dock and check underneath the app icon. If you still see a small dot or line below it, that means the app is open in the background. Now let's fully close the app. Open the app again if needed, then move to the very top menu bar. Click the app name next to the Apple logo. For example, if Safari is open, click Safari in the top left. A drop-down menu will appear. Now click Quit Safari. As soon as you do that, check the dock again and the small dot underneath the app should disappear completely. There's also a faster way to close background apps. Go down to the dock, then right-click the app icon or use 2 fingers on the trackpad. A small menu will appear. From here, click Quit. This immediately closes the app without needing to reopen the window first. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now let's close apps that are frozen or not responding. Press Command, Option, and Escape together on your keyboard. This opens the Force Quit window. Wait for the list of apps to load. Select the app causing problems, then click Force Quit at the bottom. This is useful when an app freezes, overheats your Mac, or keeps using CPU in the background. Another useful tip is checking which apps are consuming the most memory. Press Command and Space to open Spotlight Search. Type Activity Monitor and open it. Wait for the list to load, then click the Memory or CPU tab at the top. Here you can see which apps are heavily using your Mac's resources. Select any unnecessary app and click the X button at the top to close it. Closing unused background apps regularly can help improve battery life, reduce fan noise, and make your Mac feel much faster overall. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.